In this video I'm going to show you how to view Google Form responses. So what we will do, we will create a Google Form. As you can see, I have created one. Now the next step is to publish the form. So make sure it is published, and after that we can click on the copy responder link. So before we head to the next step, we want to make sure that we have created a sheet. So click on this option, and after that it will create a sheet for you where all the data will be stored. So the next step is go back to the form, and as you can see we have copied the link over here with the copy link sign, and then we will open a new tab and we will fill in this form. So we will select it, after that we scroll down and we will fill in the response form. So what we will do, we will answer those questions, and after that we can submit the form. So I have answered all the questions, now I will click on submit. And after that you can view your score. As you can see, we can view our score over here. I have answered the questions all right and correctly. So the next step is to go to your sheet. As you can see, we have here our sheet with the data, and now I can see the response. But you can also go back to the overview of your form, and here we will see questions and next to it responses. And as you can see, we have one response open at the moment. I have answered all the questions, and here you can see all the data about your answered questions. So this is how you view Google Form responses. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!